I'm sitting in a 2009 Nissan Altima. We're going to be programming two OEM fobs in here. They are previously used fobs, but it's not going to matter. They're right here. They're originals. So let's get started. Altima, key coding, 2009, Smart 4. Program, it does have a key slot. It has steering wheels locked. Ignition's off still. Use a new pin code. Okay, I heard the steering wheel lock move. Ignition on. And we have to put a fob in there to turn it on. So, stick a fob in there, and then it'll turn off for us. There we go. Okay, new pin code, yes. The doors do not have to be closed. All keys will be deleted. After you press OK, and it tells you a maximum of 4 keys can be programmed, and then it says insert the first key and switch to on, you'll get a little bar that goes across. Once that is done, all you have to do is cycle your keys. From this point, this machine is not doing anything else. So I'm going to move this to the side. So what we have to do now is we got to turn the ignition off. Turn it on. You'll see the light flash 5 times. There it is. Turn it off. We're going to take this fob out. Put the next one in. Press the start button 5 times. Turn it off. Take it out. Put the original back in. Hit the start button. Good, the security light's out. We turn the ignition off. We should hear the retraction of the steering wheel lock if equipped, and it is. That tells you that our learning cycle is closed. The fob works. Our other fob works. We'll turn the hazards off. And there it is. All programmed.